Okay, dear students, now I am going to explain sixth problem in exercise 6.5. The fourth term of a geometric progression is 2 by 3 and the seventh term is 16 by 81. Find the geometric series. Okay, fourth term of a geometric progression అంటే ఒక గుణశ్రేణిలో ఫోర్త్ టర్మ్ నాలుగవ పదము 2/3 అండ్ సెవెంత్ టర్మ్ అంటే ఏడవ పదము 16/81. అయితే ఫైండ్ ద జామెట్రిక్ సిరీస్, ఆ గుణశ్రేణిని కనుగొనుము. ఓకే, సో నౌ రైట్ డౌన్ in a GP what is given the fourth term is denoted by A4. Okay, that equal to, what is the formula for A4? AR cube, that equal to 2 by 3. And next seventh term so seventh term is denoted by A7 and the formula is AR to the power of 6, that is equal to 16 by 81. Okay, so from this say this is 1 and this is 2. Okay, so in geometric progressions problems we have to divide. Suppose in arithmetic progression we have to solve 1 and 2, but in geometric progression we have to divide 2 by 1. Okay, so here is a value, so that's why what is 2? AR to the power of 6 by, divide left side and right side. AR to the power of 6 by AR cube is equal to 16 by 81 whole by 2 by 3. Okay, now A is cancel, R to the power of 6 by R cube, then you will get only 3 R's and R cube, that equal to 16 by 81 into 3 by 2. Okay, so 2 in 16 8 times, R cube is equal to, so 2 so write once again 16 by 81 into 3 by 2. Now you cancel one time, so 8 times, so one time 2 3s are 6, 7 3s are 21, so 8 by 27 you will get R cube is equal to 8 by 27. Okay, now 8 by 27. And next so now you can write like this, 8 by 27 is equal to R cube is equal to, so R cube is equal to 8 by 27 means 3 by 2 by 3 whole cube. Okay, so now here powers are equal, so bases should be equal, so R is equal to 2 by 3. Now substitute R value in equation 1. Substitute R value in 1 Okay, what is 1? AR cube is equal to 2 by 3. So now R is 2 by 3, substitute R value whole cube, that equal to 2 by 3. So 2 cube means 8, 3 cube means 27. Okay, now so that equal to 2 by 3. So now bring this 8 by 27 to this side, then it will be reverse, 27 by 8. Okay, so now 2 is in 8 4 times, 3 in 27 9 times. So therefore A is equal to 9 by 4. Okay, Now you know A value and R value. Okay, now GP is equal to, so A comma AR comma, this is the general form of the GP. So like this. So now substitute A value and R value in this GP. Okay, what is A value? 9 by 4. 9 by 4 comma 9 by 4 into R value is 2 by 3. So here AR square, okay na, 2 by 3 comma, again A value is 9 by 4 and R value is 2 by 3 whole square, okay, so on. So that equal to 9 by 4 comma, so 2 in 4 2 times, okay, so అప్పుడు 9 by 6 అవుతుంది. అలాగే 2 స్క్వేర్ అంటే 4 క్యాన్సిల్ అవుతుంది. సో 9 by 3 స్క్వేర్ అంటే 9 అవుతుంది కదా, ఇక్కడ 9 అవుతుంది. సో please do the simplification. You will get 3 table, 3 3s are 9, 2 3s are 6, so 1. So in this way you can find GP. Okay, thank you.